What you see in front of me and behind me, this sea of plants in the nursery, is actually indoor tropicals being grown out in our 2-foot long by 5-inch diameter garden sock, and these are going to be placed inside of one of our upcoming installs for a vertical wall. The VerTexx system relies on the growing technology of our garden sock, which is a growing media filled sock that allows for root proliferation through the entire sock. And you can see that they are planted directly into the sock. Now what VerTexx does different than any other vertical growing system really is that we get away from small cells and small media capacity and move into very large volumes of media contained within the sock. Because of this, we create the best growing conditions of any system that I know of. And we do it at a price point that is very low compared to other systems. And I'll show you how it's so darn easy to install and how it all works. So now I'm standing in front of a demonstration display that we've got here. And we built this and we keep it at the nursery so that we can trial different plants, different methods and schemes and timings of irrigation and other components for our systems. That way we can try them right in the nursery, see what the results are, and we can provide really good end products for the users. These are standard 4x8 sheets of wire that we use as a substrate for structure. The wire is attached to any structural wall, and then our trays are snapped onto the wire securely. Then we run our irrigation tubing through the little grommets in the bottom of the tray so it's held in there securely, and then we lay in the VerTexx garden socks that have already been pre-planted and grown out with the plants that you saw in the nursery. After all that's done, we have one last component, and it's an injection molded little plastic arch, and it holds the alignment of the tray, keeps it from deflecting, and also makes it hard for somebody to come along and just pull the sock out. Not only is the system easy to install, it's also incredibly flexible. There are lots of reasons why you'd want a living wall over and above just the beauty of the plants alone. The VerTexx system can easily be replicated in any size. It can be put on a wall that is 30 or 40 feet tall and 100 feet wide. It can be outside for noise and heat abatement on the outside of a building while creating green beauty, or the inside of an atrium of an office building or a hotel. It can create better air quality and also add moisture to the inside atmosphere, and it can also deaden sound. Give us a call and get your project started today.